Hey, it's Susan Avello here, Lean Bean Chef. You know, when you have a weird dream and then you think about it all morning or all day, I had the weirdest dream last night. So I dreamed like it's the end of the world, right? And I'm plummeting through what's left of the food, okay? So there's a couple bags of beans. I'm cool with that. And there's like this disgusting hamburger meat with flies on it. I'm like, no way in heck I'm getting that nasty meat. And let me tell y'all, it was so disgusting. Flies on it, maggots. Oh, okay, it's just gross. And I don't eat much meat anyway when I eat. So I'm like, oh my God, what am I going to do now? But then I thought about it and I thought, okay, I can do something with these beans. And I woke up and I thought, that was so disgusting. But it made me think, am I going to have to start eating like this? This is a dream, okay? But I did have some black beans to make today, and I'm going to make some black bean burgers. And I thought, you know, I've got a bag of black beans, maybe from my dream, I don't know. They just happened to appear. But, you know, when you're going to make something, use ingredients, make something with black beans, you know, try not to do the canned beans and try to get the bag of beans, the dried beans. You're going to get more bang for your buck. And there's a cool trick if you're using and you have an Instant Pot. Don't have to soak the beans. That's right. All you have to do is put 2 cups of your dried beans in your handy dandy Instant Pot and 6 cups of water. I would use purified water. No salt until you're finished cooking the beans. It's going to mess up the progress of your beans and slow down the cooking. And stick them in there on high, pressure cook for 25 minutes. Then you're going to release the valve and let them finish in there for 20 more minutes. And you're done. Then you have your dried beans and you can use them in black bean burgers. You can use them in what I'm going to do today along with those burgers and make some black bean brownies. Hey, I have a recipe on black bean brownies at leanbeanchef.com. Go to blog and you can find those brownies, and I think you'll love it. I think I have one on the burgers too. But try doing the dried black beans. I think, you know, if you can always use ingredients like that are whole and fresh, you'll find that you're better off financially and they're fresher and better. So we're ready for the end of the world, folks. We got our ways of cooking our beans. Susan Avello signing off. Bye now.